In the Elbesee Maxi clip floor frame, you will have tape arms, legs, a bottom rail, feet, posi locks, H section, standard wheel, plugs, bolts, wing nuts, plain washers, spring washers, elastomer washers, a deep spline, side arms and maxi clips. Take a foot and place the H section the opposite side to the black buffers so that the ridges run parallel to the edges of the foot, and also so that the holes line up. Through the hole in the H section foot, thread the bolt in the leg. It doesn't matter which one of the two holes you use for this. Then put on a plain washer and a wing nut and tighten. Next, push the bottom rail through the large hole at the base of the leg, and then screw on the standard wheel. Then thread a bolt onto each of the two sides of the frame, going inwards. Attach a posi lock onto the opposite side, which will be the inside, making sure that the lugs click into place in the small holes. Then you can put a plug into the remaining hole on the foot. Next, you can set up the frame. To do this, you firstly need to place an elastomer washer on each end of the tape arm on the bolt. Then assemble by threading the side arms onto these bolts. You can use any of the 6 holes depending on the size of your canvas. Then place a washer and a wing nut on them, but do not tighten too much. Next, ensure that the grooves on the tape arms are facing upwards. Then you can place your canvas so that the pattern is downwards onto the frame. Make sure that it's straight and then leave a 1 cm overhang over the groove. Then you can clip on the Maxi clips. You do this by putting the lip into the groove over the canvas and then twisting down so that it clicks. Then repeat again with a 1 cm overhang on the other side. Your canvas will be slack at this point. Next, you need to tighten the canvas. You do this by rotating the tape arm on the direction shown on the Maxi clips. By doing this, it locks the canvas into position. Once you're happy that the canvas is taut, then screw up the wing nuts and tighten. You now need to attach the frame onto the stand. To do this, you can firstly put the deep spline over a central hole in the sidearm. Then insert this through the bolt at the top of the leg, making sure your canvas is now with the correct orientation. Then place a plain washer, then a spring washer, then another plain washer, and finally a wing nut onto the end of the bolts. Before tightening, you can change the orientation of your canvas. When you've found the correct angle, just simply tighten the wing nuts and then you're ready to begin.